Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with Target Trading Academy with your micros market recap. Today is Monday, March 28th, just after 4 p.m. here with the New York close. Let's get right into it with micro oil. Oil opening gap down from Friday's move. So they initially at the open rejected those areas above us from Friday, and we had some heavy selling occur. You can see support building, and that's the floor that was made before they had an attempt to get back towards the close or potentially the close from yesterday, but sellers stepped in yet again, cutting them off at the knees before they can even get into the range from yesterday. You can see we have this line here that's based off of our trading methodologies. Yes, it's part of the high volume areas that we give our students out the night before with its own set of rules and conditions around it. Here you can see that's the overnight or aftermarket hours that are trading after oil closed. We did close net down in oil at around 105.84. Now gold opened ever so slightly in its range, well below its close from Friday. Again, it opened up on this level here, which was acting as support. It finally broke and came down, submitting a low before they tested that high of the opening with a monster sell-off right there. So gold also closing on a net down for the day outside of its range from yesterday. And you can see the aftermarket trading has brought it down even further. Our equities with the micro ES, we opened inside of the range from Friday, not terribly far from the close. You can see here that that initial open on support gave some momentum, but nonetheless, sellers kicked in, set a floor, and they just, you can see how choppy this was. Just grind it up and try to make a new high. They successfully did that, but every attempt to break out even further just was not successful. And so the sellers stepped in. You can see some news coming out. Stepped in and drove this down after they tried again, monster selling during the afternoon hours there. You can see and they set a new low and a new floor, which they just couldn't seem to break before busting out and getting those higher highs for the day that we see now. So ES, Nasdaq both finishing net positive. Almost a similar story with the Nasdaq here. If I just scroll back to its open, not terribly far from its close. This time Nasdaq was met with buying right away. You can see they just, these consolidated moves, stair-stepping up, just tons of buying before they finally ran out of some steam, had to reconsolidate, had some support, and that set new highs. And then much like the ES, they came back down to test those levels, got some good penetration, set the floor, and then made some new highs again. Look at that. So we were in white space for the majority of the day in the equities. With that said, it was pretty choppy today. You know, Mondays are hit or miss. Most Mondays are a miss, but you can see those HVAs responded beautifully. If you haven't seen Pat's videos of his win, loss, and break evens, check those out. If you're interested in getting these levels onto your charts for yourself, your next trading endeavor for the next day, feel free to reach out to us. Or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures in general, again, reach out to us. You can find us on our website at targettradingacademy.com, or go to our website. Sorry, that is our website. Or go to Facebook and find us there as well. We have a page there, and you can get in touch with us on either location, and we'll show you why we are the #1 trading education company in the world, and we look forward to seeing you there. As a side note, there will be no video tomorrow as I am traveling, but we'll see what happens in the week if I'll have time or not to make any this week.